If you don't have it, add it to your collection. It works better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It works better than the ColourPop eyebrow pencil. It works better than the NYX eyebrow pencil. Morphe did their thing with this brow pencil, y'all. What is up, you guys? It is Jericho. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys my $5 eyebrow routine. And before we get into this, the reason why I call it a $5 eyebrow routine is because the pencil that I use is $5. $5. Now let's just put that out there. Like, that to me is freaking amazing, because if you're an OG subscriber, you know that I've always used the NYX either eyebrow gel or the NYX micro brow pencil. The NYX micro brow pencil is $10, which I thought was a pretty good price for a eyebrow pencil or whatever, because I'm like, it ain't like $20 like the Anastasia brow is. So I'm like, okay, I'm winning. So I thought I was winning. And then I discovered Morphe had made some eyebrow pencils. So I'm like, oh, let me go see what the hype is all about. First of all, I saw that $5 price and I was like, okay, even if I don't like this pencil, it's $5. So you really can't beat that. So I grabbed the pencil, I took this pencil home and I used this pencil, and I'm like, the color payoff is even better with this pencil. Now, the only thing I don't like about these pencils, they don't have a black. The darkest color they have is chocolate mousse, which is the color that I'll be using. It's like a black brown, like a brown black, or no, it's like a black brownish hint. It's not black like the micro black brow pencil, which comes in the shade black. So this is the darkest one they have. It does what it's good enough. Okay, for $5, I cannot ask for anything more. So I'm just really appreciative just to have found it for $5. So what I'm gonna do, and this wig is a closure wig, so it is in no way glued down. It's literally just sitting on my head. So if you see my wig shifting through the video, mind your business. So alright, so I'm just clipping my hair out the way, which is not really even clipped out the way. Okay, there we go. So for those who also don't know, I have uneven eyebrows. One eyebrow grows longer than the other. So that's just something that I deal with on my channel. So it is what it is. Ain't nothing I can do about it. So anyway, so this is not part of the $5 brow routine, but I got sent this eyebrow gel in a box. Benefit Cosmetics and Ipsy partnered together, and they sent me this. This is a 24-hour brow setter. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this stuff will have your brows crispy like a burnt piece of grass. It does exactly what it claims it does. Like, this gets my brows really sticky. Now, obviously, you don't really have to use something like this. You could just spray some hairspray on like a spoolie and do that. That works just as good. But since this was free, I'm going to use it. So first thing I do is just First thing I do is brush my eyebrow hairs up. And as y'all can see, this brow over here is perfect. This brow over here is just on crack. It is what it is. It's always on crack. It's been on crack every day of its life. It grows a lot shorter. Like, look at this brow and then look at this one. Like, this one, I don't understand. Like, y'all, if you have any tips of how to grow eyebrow hairs where eyebrow hairs don't grow, please let me know. Let me know, because your girl is hurt over here and I'm tired of this unevenness going on in my life. Like, I need consistency. All right, so next thing I like to do is take a little bit of translucent powder and just dab it over my eyebrows, because they do kind of get shiny. So after I just brush it on, I just see my eyebrow hairs. If you can see, like, even though I'm brushing them with this brush, they are not moving, which is why I really like this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. So as far as my routine, some days I go for like a super natural brow. Other days I go for something more Instagram brow. It just really depends on how I'm feeling. I try and do a natural brow, but doing a natural brow is really hard for me, seeing that my eyebrows are so uneven. Like I really have to overcompensate. So I'm just going to do my brow and just show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, you guys, so now my eyebrows are filled in. As you can see, like I literally just, you know, took my time and just filled in each one. They look pretty darn good. I really don't even have to use concealer if I didn't want to. Like I could just totally be done, but I kind of like that clean concealer look. So I'm just going to go in a little bit with the Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 370. I haven't used this concealer in so long. Like I actually even forgot that I had it, because once I got that Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I've just been neglecting all my other concealers because that concealer is just so good. The concealer, and this brush is great for this, and I've had this brush since 2014, 2015, and it broke apart, but it's such a good brush. I just taped it back together with some duct tape. So as long as the bristles work, that's all I care about. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm going back to my other eyebrow and trying to make them the concealer, kind of like using the concealer as a guide to try and make them as even as possible. I hope you guys can see what I'm trying to do. Like I said, it's never going to be 100% like aligned, because my eyebrows aren't 100% aligned. It's just not, they're just not, like, it's just, it is what it is. Alright, so that is pretty much it for the tutorial. As you can see, like they look pretty darn good. Like they're not perfect, but they're good enough. So yeah, this is how I've been doing my eyebrows lately. $5, y'all. I would never go back to the NYX brow pencil, because there's no need to do that now, because I mean, this brow pencil, as you can see, like it shows up so well with the lightest of strokes. With the NYX brow pencil, I really had to like really press hard on my skin for it to show up, which is why I never really liked it like that. But this, once I used this, I was like, yep, I'm using this all the time. It works so good. The creaminess, the pigmentation, all of it is just great. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you don't have this, I will have it linked down below. If you don't have it, add it to your collection. It works better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It works better than the ColourPop eyebrow pencil. It works better than the NYX eyebrow pencil. Morphe did their thing with this brow pencil, y'all. Like this is all you need for your makeup collection. Just this and a good concealer. You can even use the LA Girl concealers. They used to be $2.99, but now since everybody's on the hype, they made them $4.99. But you could do have bomb eyebrows for under $10. You can even use a dollar concealer, like Dollar Tree, whatever. It doesn't matter the concealer you use. What matters is the pencil you use. And you can also use a dollar pencil. Like any tool that you like, you can use it and just do the same thing I did. So So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is Jerikasyncere. I will have it down here and link it down in the description bar below. But that is it for this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy and have a good day.